Today we are taking a look at a brand new coin on the channel, XDC. This is one which was requested by you guys, so I'm going to be performing some technical analysis and making some predictions so we can see where XDC could go from a pricing point of view in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome into the XDC chart, guys. This is a brand new coin. If you'd like to buy XDC, there is a link in the description, as well as some free Bitcoin if you're interested in that as well. But let's take a look at XDC. Currently, it is sitting at a value of 0.079. Now, that is from the bottom, basically, of a downtrend we are seeing over the long term. We can see that a bit of a trend has established itself. You can see that as we start to mark these key points out, the picture really unfolds itself. So this is the overall downtrend. There have been a few occasions where we can see a potential breakout might occur, one recently as well, but unfortunately that has not unfolded at this point in time. Now let's put in the bottom end. You can see it's sitting probably roughly about here, and it's basically a downwards trending channel, but it is ever so slightly getting smaller in size overall, so looking relatively good from that point of view as well. So what can we establish from what we're looking at right now? Well, I think first things first, for those of you who watch my channel, you'll know that one of the best patterns I like to look at are flag patterns, and it looks like we've seen that right now. From the bottom end of the channel to the top, we have the flagpole that has put itself in place, and it does look like now we are seeing a little bit of a pennant form itself, as you can see right here, a bit like this, and today is that critical point by the looks for it. So I wonder if today or tomorrow potentially we are going to see a breakout of that occur. Let's just zoom into the hourly to have a better look at that. Zoom out slightly. As you can see, that is looking relatively good at this point in time. It is looking like things are getting tight, and I think we are going to see a little bit of a breakout of this flag occur and hopefully take on this top point of resistance on the top of this channel at roughly, 9.4. So overall, not looking too shabby from that perspective at all. Let's just reset the chart. There we go. You can see exactly what's going on now. Look at the moving averages as well, of course, also very, very important. You can see, unfortunately, that the 20-day and the 50-day moving averages have both crossed below the 200-day moving average, which weirdly enough is still going in an upwards direction. That's just a testament to see that obviously overall we have seen some big spikes in this coin in the past. Now these are still trending downwards, but ideally what we're hoping to see is a reversal of this. You can see now the price is currently sitting above that 20-day moving average, which is good, and this 50-day moving average at 0.086 is going to act as a bit of a resistance point. Volume today relatively low. We are hoping to see some more volume come back in to see a breakout. I think people are waiting for it as a confirmation to buy and see the top end of this channel tested. Let's have a look at a few more indicators as well. MACD, you can see, has just crossed the 12-day EMA above the 26-day EMA, although it does look like it has peaked slightly. We have seen this in the past where it peaks, but then it will start to gather momentum again and keep moving in an upwards direction. But the 12-day EMA is starting to flatten out. If we do see the buying momentum come in and a nice little breakout occur, we will see that shoot up quite quickly. Zooming out, you can see every single time there is a cross, there is a change in the short-term trend. So pretty reliable indicator if you ask me, and I think that is why there was so much buying action on that day. The day the MACD crossed, you can see big buying, big jump in the price, so it is a very good indicator for this coin. RSI, great to look at as well. Let's bring that one in. You can see a big spike. We were sitting oversold on the 13th of December at 28.78. After the spike, we got all the way up to 55.54, but that's basically still smack bang in the middle, and we are sitting now at 47.15. So there is plenty of room for XDC to break out and start moving upwards, but we've got to see that occur. what is my target for today's video? Well, quite simply, I want to see a breakout occur right here, and I want to see that 9.4 mark smashed, 10-cent mark, whatever it may be. But the ultimate goal will be breaking back through the 200-day moving average, sitting currently at 9.9 cents. That wraps up our very first XDC analysis for today, guys. I'd love to know your thoughts on the coin and the overall project down in the comment section below. If you did enjoy today's analysis, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And of course, I hope you all have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.